Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are dividing into the world of watercolor illustration on this watercolor paper. I've got some inexpensive but fantastic watercolors, though they are a bit messy from my last project, but not to worry, we'll clean them up before we start creating our cafe illustration. To kick things off, I'm using a spray bottle to wet the watercolor cakes, and then I'm using this delightful blue color for the door of the cafe, as you can see in the reference image. The reference image I'm using features a charming cafe that we are going to illustrate. While it won't be highly detailed, this will be more like a relaxed doodle sketch. I'll share my techniques for drawing. So first I do is to divide that reference image into some sections. So in this scene there are four main sections: the door, the greenery, the roof and the board. I'll start by roughly painting each section. Now I'll start with the green color, light green color actually this is. So I'll start with the light green color and gradually transition to darker green. Remember, you are not bound by any reference image. Feel free to add your unique touches. Now I'm using a vibrant red color for flowers. And a brown grey shade for board. Next I am picking up my trusty waterproof black sketching pen. Link is in the description to add the defining lines. Remember, let it dry completely before painting over it. Now it's time to sketch the door, which I believe is the heart of this painting. Finding a focal point is crucial in art, but it's very useful when you are drawing anything. Just find a center of the art. The cafe's menu board is next on the agenda. I'll draw it with my black pen. So it's funny how artists tend to draw what they love in real life. If you want to know someone, like someone artist, just look at their artwork. It reveals a lot about them. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. Our cafe scene also features two tiny stools and a table. And decoration of these stars. In real life, actually, I am a fan of cute cafes. I like to visit them a lot. So I am delighted to include these elements. I am adding random leaves and flower shapes to enhance the charm. As you can see, it looks very good. Remember, when drawing, start with the big elements. Don't get into tiny details. Every piece of art has its unique beauty, and your creations are no exception. Keep experimenting and improving. That's what I'm doing. And it's part of artistic journey. Now it's time to refine the details with darker green shades for leaves and light green also for some parts. And that upper section of this cafe, I'm using light brown for stripes. The interior of the cafe requires some delicate touches involving light and random dark shades. For that reason, I'm using black and yellow shade. So yes, I'm quite pleased with how it's turning out. A few small details later. I'm adding some extra flair with a silver pen. Apologies, it's not linkable as I purchased them from a local shop. Highlighting lights and stars with this silver pen. Then I'm using white pen to write on the board especially, and then other parts that need some highlighting. So basically bring out the best parts of this drawing. And I left the cafe's name blank, but now I think I'll make it my own, Akanksha, as this is my name. So I chose this name for this cafe. It's the finishing touch, my name. And yeah, it's done. Our cafe illustration is complete. So as you can see, it captures the essence of the reference image and room for creativity as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more artistic adventures, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.